Pentecostal Network Pennet Clear to Te Lalpai Swaming in Zibai Ule, Dungar Tunga Northeast India UPC-NEI rawngbawlna chanchin thar clear in Laungai Thang U. Aizawl East District Noya Pastor Thoklai, Pastor Silal Somale, Pastor PB Chongtinliana Techu, Kumsom Chung Pastor Mopurna, Anlo Chelto Avangin, Juni Serea, General Administrative Committee Chuan, Reverend Title Apethara, Tuna Changchuan Reverend Silal Somale, Reverend PB Chongtinliana Te, Tia Kaule Shato Tour, Ani. Reverend Silal Somahi Tuna Hyang Khozol Bial Vong Mekin, Reverend PB Chongtinliana Hiting Chi Bial Vong Turin Pathian Ni Hian Laklu Ani Don Ani. Juni Kwa Pentecostal Hun Pui Man Chung Khan India Marcha Khwam Chung Hun Chang Chang report kan shat thechina Northeast India UPC Kaushana Loi Turin Mithar Zaswam Pathum Kaushana Senglu Ani. Kaushan Senglu Dan Hetiang Hin Chotmun member Pani Sangau Bethel Somni Pasari, Saizo East Somthum Pani, Mauchar Somni Pakhat, Lungbial Som Pakhat, Dipu Pathum, Alo Pakhat, Bukpui Pani, Thinglun Pani, Chuampui Pakhat, Magura Local Pakhat, Imphal Pani, Dapchua Pathum, Vaireng Te Chimveng Pakhat, Monbosti Pani, Dimapur Field, Rotanpur, Patni, Vain Zaswam Pathum, Pentecostal hi India Marchakwam Chunga Kaushan Hoten, Limtakin kan Mangtlang ni in Alanga, Chiatna le Rau Kholna Awang Mang Thailo Thom Shat Tur a Omlo. Munchang Shanga Ran Tala Pathian Hena Lom Thu Soi Choi Moina, Mithar Singlu, Zaikhom Borok Nomle Tharaulam Hlanen, Limtaka Kaushan Hoten Hun kan Man report Chiat Tura in Dodzut Maya, Alom Omtak Zet Ani. June Nisom Thortan Nikhan General Headquarters Office Mwalpui Salem Veng Aizawl UPC Northeast India Disabled Committee to Chairman Reverend Lalmal Somasilo General Superintendent Kaishwaina in Nei Ania meeting a Hian Northeast India UPC Huamchunga Rualban Lauti Ham Chatna Tur Shang Shang Terelin Chanpuina Deal Mi Somni Parukne na Cheng Sanga Chewa Sanction Bok Ani General Shwai to the program. General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasilo Chuan, Juni Sompasari, Thortan Nihian Bethlehem Local LED 10, Golden Jubilee and Lomna, Telpuin to Soina Anayang. General Treasurer Reverend Zoming Tanzama Chuan, Juni Sompakhat Thole Nikhan, Aizawl Chwasanin Shillong Apana, Shillong Ahian Charter Account Audit Nein, Juni Sompali Zirtom Nikhan Aizawl Alet. Tin Juni Som Paruk Pathiani Chuma a Bethlehem Local LED 10 Golden Jubilee and Manna Thusoin rawngbawlna Anei. General Secretary Reverend R. Larin Sangale, General Sunday School Director Reverend R. Laiching Puete Chuan Tun Pathiani Hian and Mani Loina Kaushana Hun and Mangang. General Missions Director Reverend Arlal Hoya Chuan, Jun Ninga Nilaini Khan Aizawl Chwasanin Arunachal Field, Aloa Field Board Nein Hun Amanga, Jun Nisom Pani Nilaini Khan Aizawl Aletle Ani. Lunglei District PYD Conference in HIV/AIDS Awareness Campaign ne Initiatia Alaurel Bozuin, Jun Nisari Zirtom Ni Khan Venglai UPC Biak in a Trainers Training ne Ani. Trainers Training a Hian Bial IOIN member Pani Chokal Turati Ani Angin, member Somni Chuangan Kalkhoma, Resource Personatan MSEX Northeast Technical Support Unit, District Project Officer, Pu Arlal Chanpuya Chukman Ani. Lunglei District PYD President Evangelist Vilal Duomachuan Training hi Akaishwaya, District Secretary Reverend P. Silal Fakomachuan Hun Sermangin, District PYD Secretary Evangelist Ladin Puya Sailo Chuan report pe in Melchia Tirna Anebok. He trainers training a Kaltihian and Mani Biala Chow HIV/AIDS Awareness Campaign hi Anei Vele Don Ani. Lunglei District PYD Education Committee Techuan, June Niriat in Rinikhan District UPC Conference Hall, Kaushan Chunga Pol Somle Sompani Past Herte Lompuina Hun and Boatsai. He Hun Ahian Lunglei District Chunga Class 10 le Class 12 Past Herte Kalkhomin, Past Lompuina Memento and Lana, Anzir le Zelda Tura Dusangna Lanin, Tupui Pathum Hangin Career Guidance Program and Mangbok. Resource Person Tele and Tupuite. Rongbol to P. Samson Banlal Fela, Principal CEC School, General Education. Evangelist Ladinpuya Silo Secretary, Lunglei District PYD, Technical Education. Unaw Nularem Ruatimar Advocate, Lunglei District and Session Court, Dan Lo Chungchang. Hehun hi upasi malsom ki ma Chairman District PYD Education Committee chuan akai shwaya Reverend C. Vanal ena District Superintendent chuan hunser mangin unaw pala ruat ki ma Silo Secretary District PYD Education Committee chuan report ape a District PYD President Evangelist Vilal Duoma chuan thusoina nein Lunglei District Missions Director Reverend R. Vanal enga chuan pastor te tongtrai sakna anei bok District chunga zai miten zain kal khomte an oya pastor te atangin thusoi ngai thak ani bok Lunglei District PYD Conference in Home Mission Felda biak in sakni se tia lorel chu asakna tur munatan thil tlang biak in ni se ti in District PYD Board in Laurel angin June ni som tho tan ni khan thil tlang biak in hi saktura malak ani a biak in dinglai chu thia ani Biak in Chiana hian na thial bel to Pastor Reverend VL Mwakale Lunglei District PYD try to te baka na thial bel chunga tingin member enge mozat an thok chuak ani June ni sari zirtom ni chunu dar khadle minute som panga khan District Superintendent Chambara Lunglei District atanga license deal General Executive Board in apek te hena fellowship card thlanna nei ani a fuina le tongtrai sakna District Superintendent Reverend C. Vanal ena Secretary Reverend P. Silal Fakoma Baka Treasurer Reverend C. Larin Tuangaten Anne Sak Fellowship card hlan tharte Evangelist Lelshiat Moya General License Bolpui H. Local Evangelist R. Lalnunthara Local License College Veng Local Evangelist Vanal Biaka Local License Nathial Electric Local Lunglei District Board voiza somkwa parugna in pastoratana alak thar pastoral engza vachuan June ni som pani khan omna turbung mun bial athenga June ni som paruk pathian ni hian ama alak na in khom chu bung mun biak ina nei ani anga he induction service he District Secretary Reverend P. Silal Fakoma chuan amangang June ni som pathum ninga ni khan puk pui bial LED te chuan Lunglei District UPC in School and Call Christian Education Center CEC School in Nena mamona apianga an manturin cheng sing khat sanga an hlan June ni som tho chan ni khan Aizawl bial om bungtang local biak in sakthat na turlung phum District Superintendent Reverend C. Vanal enan aphum biak in sakthat tur hi adung fit som nga panga awang fit som ni palia saktur ani a tundin huna bungtang local a hian member za som ni pariat anom mekani June ni som pani ni lai ni khan Lunglei District Missions Department Emergency Board chu headquarters local Sunday School hall a ne ani a an ro rel tlang puite Home Missionary Post khat all a thok tur lak ani a dil tu zinga tungin Evangelist Rohlupuya thalun Theiriat local chu Laisoral Missions field om turin laklu ani a joining report ni som panga June sang ni som pakwa pe in ni som ni panga June a pem turati ani General Missions atanga Odisha cyclone tuarte chanpuina anron dil chu cheng sing ni atanpui veni se thati ani Chimtupui District chunga twal chung kaushan te chuan Pentecostal kha hlim takin an hmanga local chen khata chuan roinen hun hmangin chen khatten chang roinen hun an hmang thung zai khoma hun hmangin kaushan te an hlim hle District Shwai to the zinga Reverend Thanchunga Silo District Superintendent chu Bolpui NG kaushana hun hmangin Reverend C. Valley pensioner chuan atoi oma kaushan haute an lom hle Reverend Dr. C. Mo District Missions Director chu Riasika kaushana hun hmangin Pentecostal thucha apong chuaka kaushan hauten an hlutle Chimtupui District chunga tunhai kaushan din tharna Bethel local sangawa Juninga atangani som chungkhan Evangelist KVL Chanmoy ten rawngbawlna nein he rawngbawlna kaltang hian mi thar somni pasari kaushana senglu anni Sectional Pastor K. Kohhran moya chuan kaushana senglu tin Evangelist KVL Chanmoy an lalpa I swamingin swangai damna baptisma achan tir thung Chimtupui District PYD chuan rohmanna alo siam to angin kumin hian missionary arwai chunjom dona missionary roitur hian Evangelist Silan mangaya ni in Munnuam Field Longtlai West District chunga rawngbawlna hi anei don ani District PYD ti hian District Missions Department kaltangin missionary hi an enkol don ani Chimtuipui District Shwai to the program District Superintendent Reverend Thanchunga Sailo chuan June ni somparuk pathiani manghian lungtian kaushana rawngbawlna aneyang District Secretary Reverend Joseph L Thauthang chuan June ni somparuk pathiani hian cheural kaushana rawngbawlna aneyang District Treasurer Reverend W.L. Thangshia chuan Saulung Pher kaushana rawngbawlna aneyanga Revival Pastor Sila chuan thangale District Evangelist N Thanghu ne te chuan Niswam panga atanga niswam paruk June manghian tuipang ela rawngbawlna anneyang June niswam pakwani lai ni hian Chimtuipui District LAD chuan District Committee Room District Office New Siaha Kumchan Ve Board annei don He board a hian kumchan ve chunga District LAD malakna thlir ho tur ni in project la ti hlotlin lo bo zui dan tur an ngai to dona district a chhunlu tur ang te chunglu thek turin beltin te shat tir ngal bok anni June ni sompali zir top ni World Blood Donors Day pola AVDB Association for Voluntary Blood Donation le District Hospital se hate tangkopin thisen petam choi moina hun an bwa saya District chunga thisen petam thlang chhuakin PYD member KL chuan ki masia habial voisom ni panga thisen petole JLL shiat chunga sia habial PYD treasurer voisom ni pakhat peto te chuan choi moina andonga Chimtuipui District PYD chuan lom ati in District PYD President Evangelist Kerin thar chuan lom Dong PYD member te chu thalai ngai san tak ni in an chuan hle ani ati a midang te tampuina kongalwang chuak zel turin thalai te afui ngal General PYD in flag size le logo asiam that tak bo zuina atan Chimtuipui District PYD chuan beltin tile District PYD flag siam turin ma alakal meka PYD flag siam that ngai te chuan District PYD shwai tu te hna in report tur ani June ni ruk ninga ni khan Aizawl East District Literature and Publication Board thutkhom Reverend Rosang Kolni Chairman ka Shwain District Officer nei ani a Reverend C Moi Zwalan hunser amang he huna hian thupoi mo tak ngai to ni in chungjinga chuan kumsang ni somni ni lai thupui zirtur thupui tan Iswa Krista zirtir na le hununga thil lo thleng tur ti chu thlan chhuani in ziak turin Reverend VL nem tlanga chu ruat ani August ha ziak zoman turati ni in September ha editing ne ni se tha anti ba ka kumsang ni somni pakhat ni lai jan thupui zir tur le ziak tu tur po kumin sang ni so paku chung hian ngai to afel ni se anti District Literature and Publication Board thukhom hian Reverend KVL mangai kimale khabuzia chandam tu le chandam na ti chu ti chwa turati ni in District Missions Conference huna release man ni se antibok ani Aizawl East District PYD te bot sayin June ni somparuk pathiani chunhu hian District Headquarters back in Ramhlun South Aizawl khopui chunga bia le local OB baka District PYD Nwaya Subcommittee member te Pauline HIV/AIDS chungchanga trainers training nei ani don Hehuni Reverend R Latlan Kima District PYD President Chuan Kai Shwain Resource Person M6 Tehman ani dona hengba ka hian June ni som pasari thotan jan PYD in khoma hian Aizawl East District chunga twal chung PYD zongjong te chu HIV/AIDS chungchang zir hona le soi hona nei vek turati anni bok June ni som paruk pathiani hian Reverend PB chongtin lian chu chingchi bel to pastor mo phurna chel turin laklu na induction nei ani don induction hi Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary chuan anei don ani Reverend PB chongtin lian hi General Missions Department Nwaya Arunachal Missions Filta Deputation in Hun Engemuchen Field Director mo phurna achel to hnuwa kumin me tha Aizawl East District Board chuan la chhuakin chingchi bial vongtur hian adata ani June ni pathiani chunu le Zan Khan Upper Republic Bial PYD te chuan Bial Huapin Headquarters back in a praise and worship program Glorify 2019 hloting takin an mang Hehuna Hand Speaker atan Evangelist H Lallimpuya Crusader for Christ team tu manni in din thar Bial PYD ten so manni angin antel puibok ani Chonulama hian pathian fakna hla sa ai impol hona nei ani baka Evangelist Kelel Mwansang hne na tringin thola engro Isaya bungsom rukchang khatti thumangin thusoi toi ngai thlakni in upa Kelel Munsang abia secretary hne na tringin tharau thianghlim nei ro u Johanna bungsom ni chang somni pani ti mangin thu toy ngai thak ani bok bial shwai tu tele bial board member ten in khom jong jong telu chunga kut khatin pathian mal somna dong turin andil sak cheu ani tlailama upper republic bial pyd ten janri anbwa sai chulim taka kil ho ani a pathian ni jan Khan chunjom ni in BLPYD President Twal Upa R Larin Tuanga Chuan in Khom Akai Shwaya Din Thar BLPYD Zaipol le Upper Republic BLPYD Zaipol tin hen atringin pathian fakna hlangai thakani a unaw palerwa dikadin Thar Bial le unaw nu le rem sangi team member ten zai rawngbawlna an nei bok Speaker Evangelist H Lallimpuyan hen atringin pathian thu thatak tak ngai thakani a he huna hiam bial chunga PYD member te an kal thale a pathian thu le hla hlim taka impol ho ni in tungshad lo te nen hun hlim om tak man ani a kal khom ten hlok thak an ti hle ani Republic Bank khang kaushan te chuan Pentecostal Day Paul Khan June riat inri ni zana tanga pathian ni zan thleng khan revival crusade hloting takin an mang he huna hian speaker Evangelist H Lallimpuya chuman ni in pathian tharau thianglim ompuina hnuaya hlim takin hun an manga June ni khat inri ni zana tang thau khan Bethlehem kaushan te po in revival crusade hi mang chho mek zelin speaker unaw nu le hmanga Aizawl Bible woman maubok chu speaker an mang ani Bethlehem kaushana hian harna athleng chho mek zela speaker le team te impact na aro puin lalpan amang hle a tharau thianglim baptisma chang enge mozat omin siam tharle na changpo mi enge mozat anom to ani revival crusade hi nei chho mek zel ni in jantin in khom na nei thin ani a he crusade den chen hian juni riat inri ni khan upalal felki mate chung ko ale reverend vanel phil ram tiam te chung ko kal tangin pathian toy moina nei aloni to a juni sompali zirtop ni khan kaushana mi im petak tak tekal tangin pathian toy moina hi an nei le bok ani juni kwa Pentecostal khan zema bok bia lungbia kaushana loi turin chung ko khat member som pakha chu kaushana senglu anni Trump pui bial Trump pui veng thara po mitar pakhatin swangai damna baptisma changin kaushana senglu ngal ani zo mun bial mauchar huna po Pentecostal khan chung ko ni member som ni pakhat te chu bial tu pastor bilal mingliana chuan kaushana senglutin bial tu pastor hian naw pahni hlanna anei bok he hun mang tur hian zo mun bial PYD shwai tu te zo mun local member engi mozat baka bial kaushan pui shwai tu te chu mauchar huna hian an kala junioriat inri ni zana tanga pathian ni zan thleng khan hun hlim om tak an mang ani Aizawl East District Bethlehem LAD te chuan an kumsum ngana Golden Jubilee lomna hun Bethlehem kaushan biak ina an mangmek Jubilee lomna hi June ni sompanga inri ni zan khan mantan ni in Reverend Lalrema bial tu pastor chuan Jubilee honna nein unaw nu ka sangin Jubilee meide na anei baka secretary ne na tungin report ngai thakani a mishang shang ten thu choina an nei bok Jubilee lomna hi pathian ni atanga thotan zan thleng hian chunjom le tu ni in pathian ni chuma Reverend Jongming Thanjama General Treasurer le Bethlehem LAD advisor loni to hnen ringin thu cha ngai thak tur ni in chunua unaw nu zai on par moi Bible woman District LAD Vice President le Secretary Jubilee Subcommittee ni bok hnen ringin thu cha an ngai thla anga pathian ni zana unaw nu le thansei fan ai Chairman Jubilee Subcommittee chuan thu cha soina anei bokang Jubilee lomna puiber chu June ni swambasari thotan ni hian man tur ni in Jubilee lungphum honna Reverend Vanel Felaram tiam chuan nei in souvenir tlangzar na le shwai tu choi moina nei anim bokanga tlaya Jubilee roi an kil hodon ani Pentecostal hun pui chung khan Aizawl East District chunga mun shangshanga pathian ne na lom thu choi moina nei ani a zema bok veng puya unaw nu la ramliani sailo District LAD Treasurer de chung kwa chuan junioriat inri ni khan choi moina hi nein tharau lam borak kal zela upa thangming liana de chung ko kal tlangin choi moina hi nei chunjom ani don ani bazar bial amveng sauda po inri ni khan unaw pa vanel ruat de chung ko kal tlangin choi moina hi nei ani a speaker Reverend H Vanel chhana chuman ani Juni sompanga inri ni hian ram thar kaushan loi unaw pa sang thang vela de chung kwa kaltangin pathian choi moina hi an nei don bok ani bazar kaushana po camping chong hi hlotleng takin nei aloni to a speaker Evangelist Arvan chunga chuman ni in tharau thianghlim dong thar le siam thar le na chang enge mozat an om ani Upper Republic Koshana po June ni kwa Pentecostal den chen khan unapa HVL ramrot ate chung kwa chom pathian choi moine hi annei boka speaker a bel to pastor Reverend Silal Engliana Bia Secretary Upa Kelen Munsangale Evangelist Dr. H Larin lian te man anni a thlai te zinga tharau thianglim dong thar engi mozat an ani June ni so pani ni lai ni po khan amveng South Koshan loi unapa ro sang luret chong thu de chung kwa chom pathian choi moina anneya speaker Reverend H Vanel Chana an mang ani amveng South Koshan te hian revival crusade mang mekin pathian ni zan thleng hian ro man na ang chuan an mang chunjom don ani Aizawl East District try to the program Reverend Rosang Colony District Superintendent Chuan Pathian ni hian rabung biala rawngbawlna aneyanga rawngbawl tu te pawla seminar neya resource person atangin thotan zan hian Bethlehem LED Golden Jubilee lomna a rawngbawlna anei le ang Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary Chuan Chingchip Bial to Pastor Mo Phurna Chel Turin Reverend PB Chongtin Liana Lakluna induction Pathian ni hian aneyanga Chingchip Bial chunga rawngbawlna anei nga lang Reverend Vanel Philaram Tiam District Treasurer Chuan Bethlehem Koshan LED 10 Ankum Somngana Golden Jubilee an lomme ka telpuin Juni som pasari thotan ni hian Jubilee lom na puibera Jubilee lung honna anei don ani Reverend Arlian Zama Missions Director Chuan Karmasa Pathian ni khan Arunachar Missions Fielda rawngbawlna anei hnuwa adam takin Juni som pathum ninga ni khan Aizawl alet Ole khatizong khatun tumatana North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thla khole theite ani